These are the elevators at the True by Hilton in Fort Wayne, Indiana. These are Schindler 330As. Okay, let's go to 4. Did the door close button actually work? Here we go. I believe these were installed in 2018. Here we are at 4. Okay. Here's a look at the 4th floor. And here's your view. You can see I-69. I think that's I-69 over there. All right, let's go back down. Got the same one. It stayed here for us. Stayed here. Let's go down to 1. Door close button works on a Schindler. Love that. Let's get a cab view. It's a pretty nice elevator. These are your fixtures. They're standard HT. Here we are at 1.
Yeah.